If you're looking for ink cartridges that deliver dependable, smudge-resistant prints for your Epson WorkForce WF 630 series printer, these Epson individual cartridges are worth a closer look. Designed to fit models like the WF 630, WF 633, and WF 635, they promise hassle-free installation and consistent output every time. What sets these cartridges apart is their resistance to smudging, fading, and water damage. That means your important documents and photos hold up longer, even with frequent handling. Plus, the convenience of individual cartridges means you only replace the color that runs out, saving you money and reducing waste. These cartridges are compatible with a broad range of Epson printers, including popular models like the Stylus NX625 and several WorkForce series printers. This versatility makes them a solid choice if you own multiple Epson devices or plan to upgrade within the same lineup. While some users note that the price is higher compared to other brands, the quality and reliability often justify the investment. One reviewer mentioned their older printer's declining photo quality despite multiple cleanings, suggesting that while the ink is reliable, pairing it with a newer printer or an EcoTank system might offer better photo results. If you prioritize print durability and easy cartridge replacement, these Epson inks deliver on those fronts. The smudge-proof and water-resistant features mean your prints stay sharp and vibrant longer, whether for work documents or personal projects. Worth a look if you want to avoid frequent reprints due to smudging or fading. These cartridges maintain Epson's reputation for dependable ink performance, especially for everyday printing needs. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? Try these Epson individual ink cartridges when you're looking for quality and convenience combined. They keep your printer running smoothly without constant fuss over cartridge replacements or print durability. In summary, Epson's individual ink cartridges for the WF 630 series offer what matters most: consistent, water-resistant prints and simple cartridge swaps. If you want reliable ink that supports your printer's best performance, these cartridges are a smart choice.